What's up, guys? We are here on Highway 6 at the Esteem Reap Clinic. Not gonna lie, I wasn't feeling well. She had a bad headache and a stomach ache, so we came down here to check it out and see what was wrong. They took some blood, and I guess now we're just waiting for the results. So I figured I'd make this video because I haven't made one in a while, but there is a few good reasons for that. First of all, it's been raining every afternoon here, making it almost impossible to get out. Even in between the storms, you never know how long you have left. The rain's lasting a little longer than it did last year, so it's just bad timing. But while I've been holed up in my apartment, which I really don't like, I've gotten a lot of things done. I've been doing a lot of writing on my next book, and I've been slowly but surely editing together the footage I have for my mini documentary. Now, if you're a supporter of mine and you haven't checked your emails this last week, you should have received two things. The first one should have been a portion of a story that's going to be in my next book. Of course, all my supporters will be getting a copy free when it's all done, but I wanted to give you a little preview of that. It's a story that's about half finished. I kind of know how I want it to end, but I'm not really sure how to get there. So I just thought I'd throw out what I had, let you guys be the beta readers, if you will. So if you received it and you have any suggestions, just let me know. I'll take them all under consideration. The second thing you should have received was the first few minutes of the documentary itself. I recorded the introduction. I had the clips and the pictures I wanted. I did the voiceover. I had to do that 3 times because, man, I do hate editing. I really do. I like the creative process. I like when I'm writing, when I'm filming. I like all that. But no matter what, I hate the technical side, the editing part. I try to hurry and get it done, and then I make mistakes. I have to redo it. But like I said, it's the first few minutes, the introduction to what's going to be the full mini documentary coming up as soon as I can get it all done. So luckily, being inside had its advantages in me being able to do that. However, because of that, of course, I haven't been able to get out and film and do many other things. But we'll be getting back on that really, really soon. Probably tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to finish this video tonight. It'll probably be tomorrow. Nursing live. waiting for her test results. So the clinic here, as you can see, seems to be a pretty popular place. All the motorbikes. I don't really want to go inside because there are people under distress, of course, because they're sick or their babies are sick for whatever reason. But I do want to show you a couple things. First of all, let me zoom in so I'm not being intrusive. That's what the entrance looks like. Look at all them flip-flops, man. Flip-flops just sitting there in a bundle because it is customary to take off your shoes before you enter. And so everybody just kicks them off, and I've been watching people as they leave. They seem to have no problem finding their own flip-flops, even though a lot of them look the same to me. Like, I wouldn't know which pair was mine. But they seem to have it under control. Looking at this old building here too. Yeah, there goes my camera. This is why I don't film a lot at night. There it is. An old abandoned building. Looks like it's getting fixed up a little bit. They have the construction materials, the bricks over there, right behind the clinic. Looks like they're going to do something with it soon. There's a restaurant right next door. And of course, Highway 6, there's restaurants all up and down here, this portion of it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you all this quick update and let you know what I've been up to, why I haven't posted a regular video in a while. But if you're a supporter, like I said, you did get those 2 things this week. Check your emails if you have not. If you're a Patreon, the video is uploaded to the Patreon page. And if you're not a supporter, feel free to click the links down below. PayPal, buymeacoffee.com/DDC, or join my Patreon. Not only will I send you those two things I just talked about, but you'll also receive future exclusive videos, first look videos, updates, pictures, and all that other stuff. You'll be doing some good in this world. And I'll be sure to give back to you as much as I possibly can as a way of saying thank you. And as you can see, really wet, muddy out today. I should have put on my shoes. Right now I'm wearing my flip-flops. And normally I like wearing my flip-flops. The issue was, when we went outside our apartment, it was dark. I was standing underneath a tree. Joe, my buddy Joe, he came over. He was looking for a place, and Google Maps, he's having a hard time figuring out Google Maps. It's not working right for him. So he stopped by to see if I could punch this in and get him to where he needed to go without getting lost on his motorbike. While I was standing under the tree, man, my feet started burning. Felt like I was being stung by little tiny needles, hot burning needles. When I looked down, I realized that I was standing right in a pile of fire ants, and they were all over my feet and my ankles. Oh, that was very painful. I had to go and put some lotion on them, man, because they burned. I don't know if you've ever had that experience, but it is not something I recommend. That was really painful. So I ran upstairs after I was done and washed off my legs and my feet and everything really good, and put on some lotion to stop the itching. I brought with me, now I forget the name of it, and that sucks. It's that, actually it's for diaper rash ointment. I'll get you the name by the end of this video. But I got, 3 or 4 big or regular size jars of those, the plastic containers, and packed them with me, and that has come in handier than anything else I packed as far as that goes. Like even the bug spray and the sunscreen, I don't use either of those that much. I still have a lot left. But this lotion is great. It works great for itchy skin. It works great for bug bites. It works great if if it feels like you're getting a rash, which you might sometimes if you're not used to this kind of heat. You might get a heat rash. And it works really well. I'm really happy with it. I'm going to be disappointed when I run out. I can't remember the name now. That bums me out. But anyway, she went back inside. She might be getting her test results, and then we can go home. Hopefully everything's okay. She doesn't seem to be in a lot of pain or anything, just feeling unwell. And unlike me, when I don't feel well, I just let it ride. I ride it out, man. I just ride it out. Whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen. And that's worked for me, but she gets concerned, so here we are. Alright, talk to you guys later. Alright guys, and now we're back from the clinic. We're back home. And this is what happened. They took her blood. They give you an envelope with a piece of paper. It's got all her blood work stuff in there. I don't know what any of that means. The hematology report. And then they just threw a bunch of things in a bag. I don't know what any of it is, really. That. And a whole bunch of these. Don't know what it are, but I do know what these are. They gave her 4 of these. These, by the way, are really good, even if you're not sick. Even if you drink all the water you need, These are really, really good. Give you all the electrolytes you need, and multivitamins and minerals. It tastes good, and all you got to do is put it in like a half bottle of a small water. Empty the water about halfway. Pour this in, shake it up real good, and keep yourself hydrated. Because I think that's a big part of what it is. She drinks a lot of water, but I don't think she gets enough vitamins and electrolytes and all that other stuff. Well, yeah, you can buy these over the counter anywhere for like 10, 15 cents or something like that. 500 real. Just go in and ask for the D. And yes, I know if you have a dirty mind, you're going to snicker. I do. But those are really good, even if you're not sick. I recommend it when you come over here. But the rest of it, I don't know what it is. But they explained it to her. Good news is she's not going to die, so... And I'm glad nothing is seriously wrong. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Alright guys, don't forget to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, join my Patreon, or buymeacoffee.com/DDC. As I said at the beginning of the video, all that money is used to teach English to kids for free. We also sponsor a portion of a village in the countryside, so we help feed the people out there when they're hungry. And we go about the city sometimes and just cook food here and pass it out on the street to anybody who wants it, basically. And we'll also be doing some animal welfare stuff very soon. All those links are down below. Other channels that are vlogging in Cambodia, they're excellent. You should watch them, subscribe. Those are down below. And all my social media, links to my books, and other things you have to look for. They're all down below. So be sure to check that all out. I really appreciate it. I want to say thank you to everybody that supports me. It means a lot. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.